Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a cow with bubble. So let's get started. So first of all you have to draw the face like I tell you how. You have to start from here and you have to draw a round shape like this. Make it simple. Okay, so now you have to do here 1 2 here like this, and then you have to draw a bubble like round circle. You can start from here. Like it's round bubble. She is eating bubble. So now we have to draw two eyes side by side. One is here, you can big it like it's, you have to fill it. It's full eye at this side as well. This you have to raise. Okay, two eyes, you can fill it as well. Okay, so now what's more you have to draw now the face, the downside. You have to go to upside till here, and the same from here you have to go the other side. You have to go upside till here. Okay, so now its half face is ready, and now you have to draw the hairs of cow like this, like you can draw like this. Like this. And now it's almost still here ready, half face, and you have to meet now the others, the remaining part. You have to go up, and here you can draw one curve as well. So now the remaining part of the head, I will start from here and I will make it round like this. From here come to down carefully and meet this. Okay, nicely done till here. So now what you have to do more you have to draw ears. Like here you can start, come down, and meet here. Like this, and this side as well. You can start from here till here and go to inside. And now what's more you have to do, you have to draw the horns. So you can start upside of the ears, like it will be like this. Like from here you have to, you can start from here and meet them. And the same you have to draw this side, the other side as well. You can start downside, upside from the your ears of cow, and go to upside, and here you can come to downside. Okay, it's amazing looking, amazing face. Now it's turn to make a body. So for body you have to do what? You have to draw first of all here the down side, the chest hairs, like you have to draw like this down to the face. This is the chest, and now you have to draw one line between it like this, straight line, and then you have to draw the feet. Come down and go to like this, and you have to go straight. Okay, one side, this is the partition of the feet, and now the other side same. You can meet this point, and now from here downside and go to the upside. Okay, you have to clear it. Okay, it's, and now you have to, its front side ready, and now you have to make a body. For body you have to start from here and come down and stop here, this side, and the same you have to do here. Start from here, go from and stop here. Okay, here you have to stop because of you have to draw the back feet. For back feet you have to draw this. Okay, and you have to meet like this. This is the back feet one, and from here as well you have to come down here and here, and this is the back feet. So nicely done till here. And now what's more you have to do, you have to draw the tail like this. Okay, amazing. So our cow, it's ready. Now I have to fill with marker and color. I meet you after this. So nicely done, children. So now I can show you, this is our cow complete after color and after marker. I use just brown colors, and here it's a butterfly yellow, this is the bubble pink and greenery. So it depends on you, which color do you like, which color do you choose. So please always watch full video to have more fun, and subscribe my channel. Be careful. Until the next video, bye bye.